Inakuwaje mtu wangu, inakuwa poa mazee. Imekuwa ni weekend poa fresh kabisa bwana. Tonight ningependa pia ni check something hapa. Ningependa pia na ufahamu kitu kizuri hapa, jinsi fulani ya kuweza kuedit na kuweka logo kwa t-shirt, au jinsi gani unaweza ukaweka logo ikakaa kama imeprintiwa kwa t-shirt, au sio? Hani kitu kama hichi, unaona kwa hii logo kwenye t-shirt venye ilivyo. Okay, this is N number 1. Okay, yeah, sawa. Hii kitu nimeifanya tu rahisi sana, nitakuonyesha kwa just within a few minutes. Then let me first delete hii ambayo nilikuwa nimeedit hapa ili tuanze fresh. It's now deleted. It's just a plain t-shirt. Okay, it's a plain t-shirt kama unavyoona hapa kwa screen. Kwa hiyo tutafanya nini? On the background layer, you first duplicate this. So Control J, make a copy of the background layer. Ukishapata make a copy ya background layer, what you do is to go on filter. Go on filter, check where there is blur. Then go on Gaussian blur. Ukiwa kwa Gaussian blur, make sure on the radius here you put 2.5, around 2.5 pixels. Hit OK. When that is done, you just have to come and save. File, save as. File, save as. Then you can create, save as. All this is what I've just be doing. So utafanya nini? You just save as. Mi kwangu na save kama Chatu graphics number 4. So I can make a graphics number 5 if need be. Okay, I can put number 5 ili uweze ukaona chenye kinaendelea hapa. Then save. Kisha save, put yes. Okay, right. After you save, now make sure unafuta, you delete that layer, the copy of the background layer, delete it, futa kabisa. So unabaki na background layer again. Now with this, you go to do what? You come to where there is your logo, mahali umesave logo yako. Kama hapa sasa, hii ndio logo. Ukiangalia logo iko na background, okay, iko na background yake. So first you have to eliminate the background. Lazima uhakikishe umetoa background hii, ibaki kwa ni PNG logo, yani it's transparent. First nitakushow how to remove the background of this. Utafanya nini? Hii utamake copy. Just you don't have just to make copy. Acha tu na make copy. Just go straight to select. Go to select. Kisha select, tafuta color range. Color range. Click on color range. Then on select, find where there is sample colors. Hapa wameandikwa sampled colors. Click the first drop down arrow. Find the sample the colors. Then on this fuzziness, if you find it at 0, make sure you put it at 200. Weka vuta mpaka mwisho ifikie 200. Then on select hapa, on this before this, you check on this. Unaona it eyedropper hii, the first eyedropper, click on it. Then make sure you come here on the logo and you click somewhere in the background of the logo. Kisha click hivyo, then you come select image. Unatoa from selection to image. Then hapa kwa invert, make sure it's inverted. Okay, click to invert it. Then you can say okay. Unaona venye iko? So it has been selected, fully selected. Then you come here on this add mask. Make sure after you select logo yako yote vizuri, you come on the tool called add mask. Click on it. Unaona? Tushatoa background layer. So now that it's on PNG, we are good to go. So you come here, left click, drag it, ivute mpaka mahali kuna ulieka logo ya, ulieka t-shirt yako. Then I'll drop it on the top of the t-shirt. Hivyo. then make sure you transform it, Control T to transform ili fit vizuri, Control T transformation. Sasa you come to resize it ili fit sawa. Resize the logo vizuri, fit hapo kwenye t-shirt in front of this t-shirt. Control T to transform. Okay, with that done, okay, now hiyo iko vizuri. So come here on the change the blend mode from normal to multiply. Sawa, from normal to multiply blend mode. Right, with that done, now it's okay. You hit okay. So hit okay. Now come here to filters. Go to filters. Find where there is the word distort. Click distort, then find displace. Ku displace ni ku replace yani ile tulikuwa tumesave mwanzoni. There is a logo saved on a save as. So we want to displace hii ambayo tumeweka on top of this t-shirt with the one we had saved before. So displace horizontal scale, make sure it's 10. Vertical scale, make sure so 10. Displacement map is click on stretch to fit, then on undefined areas click on wrap around, then hit okay. Fresh hivyo. Sasa itakufungulia where we had saved our displacement map. Sasa we had this Chatu graphics number 5, this one So click on this, double click on it, inakuja direct na displays the one we just put on the top of the t-shirt. Inakuwa fitted vizuri hapo. So what do we do next? What we do next, you come here on graphics hapa chini tu, chini ya background layer mahali kuna background layer copy yake hapa kuna effects. Hii effects inamaanisha add a layer style. Click on it, go to blend options. Blend options itafungua hapa, then alt left click and drag left side somewhere, just somewhere ambao haita fade sana, maana ukikuja huku see the logo has faded. So just make sure it's not much fade, just small to at least you blend vizuri na t-shirt. Remember the t-shirt is white, so after you do all that, you click OK. Then done with that, you can also do what? Come on filters again, Gaussian blur to Gaussian blur. Then we had a radius of 2.4. Now you can change it to 1. So the 2.4 radius was for the t-shirts, but now you are changing it to 1 for the logo. So you hit OK. The Gaussian blur for the logo is 1.1 radius. So until you're done, you can also click on and off and see the effect, how the logo is just fit vizuri kwa t-shirt. See, something sweet. If you're not okay with this, you can also click on the blend options ili udrag tu kidogo tu mbele ili is fade sana, something like that. Yeah, unakuwa kama hivyo. See, simple steps. So I know you have just learned something here. Keep tuned. Yeah, subscribe on Mitego sasa. So we're making more updates on daily basis. Subscribe more.